Today we're gonna show you how to do the mushroom risotto. We're gonna show you the ingredient. We have carnaroli rice, white onion, butter, fresh parsley, bottom mushroom, shimeji mushroom, and the Parmesan cheese. So we are going to cook the rice, onion with the mushroom. Then we're gonna add the rice. We cook well the rice with the mushroom first. We're gonna add the vegetable stock, our mushroom cream. We mix it well all together and then we cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking the risotto must be dry, not too much liquid inside, okay? So this is the last step of the risotto. It's already cooked, but it needs to be dry, no liquid. So you need to add the vegetable stock time by time, not all together. The Parmesan cheese, ice butter, chopped parsley, olive oil, and mix well. So when everything is melted together, the risotto must be creamy. Not too thick, not too liquid, but creamy. Good consistency. Olive oil, shimeji mushroom, button mushroom. You just need to cook well colored. That's it. This we're gonna topping on the risotto. Gonna add our sauté mushroom. Grate of Parmesan. Finish.